Hey everyone, I'm Lena, and welcome back to the Steam and Sauna Blueprint by Opulent Recreations, your home for all things steam, sauna, and modern wellness. If you're planning a steam installation for 2026, especially for a hotel, gym, spa, wellness center, or recreation facility, two names that come up again and again are Mr. Steam CX Series and Delta Steamist HC Series. Both are designed for high-demand environments. Both come from brands with decades of steam experience, and both are built very differently from typical residential generators. But they are not interchangeable, and choosing the wrong one can affect layout flexibility, long-term reliability, and even how many steam rooms you can support. So in this video, we're breaking down Mr. Steam CX Series versus Delta Steamist HC Series correctly and clearly so you know which one actually makes sense for your project. Let's start with the core difference between CX and HC. At the highest level, Mr. Steam CX Series is a dedicated commercial duty generator designed to serve one steam room only. Delta Steamist HC Series is a high-capacity commercial generator that can serve one or two steam rooms from a single unit. That difference alone can completely change how a project is designed. Now let's talk about the generators themselves. The CX Series is Mr. Steam's newer generation commercial platform, replacing the older CU Series, built specifically for demanding continuous use environments. These generators are commonly used in hotels, health clubs, fitness centers, spa facilities, recreation centers. Key characteristics of the CX Series: heavy-duty commercial heating elements, conservative internal engineering, designed for long daily run times, extremely stable and predictable output. Each CX generator is designed to control one steam room only. There is no multi-room control capability with a single unit. The HC Series represents Steamist's top-tier, high-capacity commercial offering under the Delta umbrella. These generators are frequently used in hotels with multiple steam rooms, day spas and wellness resorts, athletic clubs, university recreation centers, high-end residential plus light commercial hybrids. A major advantage of the HC Series is flexibility. One HC generator can control up to 2 steam rooms, depending on room size and layout, something the CX Series does not support. Now let's clarify controls. This part is critical. Mr. Steam CX controls. This is an important distinction. The CX Series does not use iSteamX, iTempo, TempoFlex, or TempoTouch. CX generators use dedicated commercial CX controls, designed specifically for commercial durability, simple, reliable operation, staff-friendly interfaces, long daily usage cycles. These controls are purpose-built for facilities, not luxury residential bathrooms. Similarly, Delta Steamist HC generators use Delta's own commercial-grade controls. HC-compatible controls focus on simple operation, reliable temperature and session management, optional modular add-ons depending on the installation. Delta's control philosophy is about operational simplicity, which works well in gyms, hotels, and spas where staff or guests need intuitive use. Now let's talk about steam performance and experience. Both systems deliver excellent steam, but with different personalities. Mr. Steam CX Series, extremely consistent, designed for long continuous sessions, ideal for high-traffic facilities, very predictable performance. Delta Steamist HC Series, smooth and refined steam delivery, slightly faster response times, excellent comfort for spa-style environments, flexible for multi-room layouts. For facilities with non-stop usage, CX shines. For facilities needing layout efficiency, HC stands out. Both series are engineered with longevity in mind. CX Series emphasizes conservative heating cycles, proven internal layouts, strong tolerance for scale when maintained. HC Series emphasizes advanced auto-drain flushing, refined internal water management, slightly more electronics to optimize performance. In hard water regions, both perform well. Proper maintenance and sizing matter more than the logo on the unit. Installation and facility planning considerations. This is where commercial projects really differ. CX series installations are typically one generator per steam room, installed in mechanical rooms or service areas, straightforward but space-intensive for multi-room facilities. HC series installations allow one generator serving 2 rooms, reduced equipment footprint, more efficient mechanical planning in hotels and spas. For large facilities, this can significantly impact cost and layout. Upfront pricing often looks like this. CX series, higher total cost for multi-room facilities. HC series, more efficient cost per room when serving 2 spaces. But operational value depends on usage patterns. Heavy, non-stop usage. CX excels multi-room efficiency. HC delivers better ROI. So which one should you buy in 2026? Choose Mr. Steam CX series if you are building one generator per steam room. Your facility has heavy, continuous usage. You value conservative, commercial-grade engineering. You want maximum reliability over flexibility. Typical use cases: gyms, rec centers, standalone steam rooms. Choose Delta Steamist HC series if you want one generator to serve 2 steam rooms. Space efficiency matters. You operate a hotel or spa with multiple rooms. You want strong performance with flexible system design, typical use cases, hotels, wellness resorts, spa facilities. Let's wrap this up. Both the Mr. Steam CX series and the Delta Steamist HC series are excellent commercial steam generators. The real decision comes down to how many rooms you're serving, how often they'll be used, and how much layout flexibility you need. Choose correctly, size it properly, and either system can deliver years of dependable steam performance in a commercial environment. If you're planning a commercial steam project and need help choosing between CX and HC, or want professional sizing for your facility, reach out to Opulent Recreations anytime. You'll find links to all our steam shower collection below in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. And if you'd like more installation tips or personalized help, join our free school community, the Steam and Sauna Blueprint. I'm Lena, and until next time, stay warm, relaxed, and inspired.